morning. I'm Cindy Marcoux, Director of the Ventress Memorial Library here in Marshfield, Massachusetts. Today, February 18th, we are having our reopening celebration. We're reopening after being closed for 2 months for new carpet installation, and we are so excited to be back open and to have these beautiful new carpets. We hope that you come out to visit us soon. We have lots of programs going on this month, especially the next 2 weeks, all based on butterflies, because we're using a theme of metamorphosis, that the library has metamorphosed from these new carpets. So please come down to 15 Library Plaza and join us for a program.
So I'm Jim Kilcoyne. I'm a longtime resident of Marshfield. I am currently a select board member. And why am I here? I'm here to celebrate the reopening of the metamorphosis of the library from the old library to this beautiful building we have now.
My name is Steve Darcy. I'm chair of the Marshfield Select Board and here to support the opening of the library today. The construction work is terrific. It's really improved the library, and we have a library that reflects the quality of the people living in it, working in it, and the quality of service that they provide.